I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Croissant, hot and crunchy, melted cheese, egg salad full of flavor. Don't wait too long to make this delicious sandwich. So welcome to Let's Google It, everyone, and let's begin making this amazing egg salad sandwich. Make sure the water cover the eggs. Stove on the high. We're gonna bring it to boil. Water start boiling. Reduce the heat to medium low and let it simmer for 10 to 11 minutes. Then turn off your stove. Transfer the eggs into an ice bath and let it cool down for a few minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to prepare the dressing. And I'm gonna start with the green onion. And here I have some fresh thyme. Let's give it a rough chop as well. Perfect. I have here some mayonnaise. I'm going to put everything on top of the mayonnaise. A little Dijon mustard, lime juice, fresh ginger, salt and pepper, give it a quick mix. That's gonna be a super yummy egg salad sandwich. Now let's toast the croissant. I'm adding a cheddar cheese as well, and we're going to toast the croissant and melt the cheese at the same time. Now the eggs nice and cold to be peeled. And look how easy to peel, because it was perfect timing for boiling. Now with the sharp knife, we're gonna chop all the eggs and we're gonna keep it a little chunky. That should be more than enough. Now I'm gonna add the mix we made. Perfect. Now let's check on our croissant. Look at this. They're hot. You can put as much as you want and finish it with any microgreens you have available. I have a mustard microgreens here. Wow, definitely I'm going for another sandwich. Thank you for watching, everyone. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.